Today's assembly was a really important assembly for CIS being a Canadian school, because to be a Canadian school here is to represent Canada in many ways. And the relationship between Canada, Canadians, and our Indigenous peoples has been very negative for a long time. And sharing that story and how we're overcoming it is an important part of being Canadian. For Canada, reconciliation isn't a choice, it's actions that have to be taken. This is of fundamental importance to Canada because the relationship between Canada and our Indigenous peoples is and must be our #1 priority. So abroad, which is where I am, we are committed to use the UN system to take actions towards reconciliation. And we need to make sure that wherever we are in the world, that this doesn't happen again, neither in Canada nor in any other country. So the CIS Artist in Residence program is a wonderful program to bring in different perspectives, especially from Canada, to give the students an opportunity to understand what it means to be Canadian, what it means to live in Canada, and to share in the values and the experiences that are inherent in a Canadian education. So I think, yeah, this program is very, very useful, and I'm really glad that Ms. Shillinglaw was able to be here.